Hi friends, another episode of Hira Yaps. Yup, 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 yup. Okay, I like that. That's gonna be my and and intro. Hira Yaps. Yup, 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 yup. And we'll be talking about hiking, running, walking. What's the difference? Difference is nothing. They're different types of sport. Okay, that's their difference. Why do we put so much pressure in the idea of going far, going fast, and going multiple times? Is it empowering to like have this much frequency, this speed, this endurance to go for long? Or is the idea of going out being so undervalued that we feel like we have to prove ourselves by doing the extra mile, trying to feel or look better than most? Is the reason why I'm thinking this because I think the same way? Well, I think because the system has kind of made me feel like I have not been doing enough. But right now, I'm gonna change that. Number one is I'm gonna go on hikes. Doesn't matter if it's in a road, in a trail, as long as I'm safe. Number two, doesn't matter how far I go, as long as I showed up. That's why in my wall, I'm gonna post a moved my body log wherein I put 1 star every time I go out to do something active. Like go to the gym, go for a walk, go on a hike, go on a speedy run, or maybe simply just vibing. Okay. Morning, sir. Ano, pasaresta ba? Ah, good luck. Can you see me? Can you see me frolicking? Okay, maybe there are people out there who thinks I'm weird. What if I am? Is that so bad? Is that so bad? Wait, that's a nice trail. Can I go there? It looks like a path has already been paved. But the thing is, look oh, it's a nice trail. But I'm just scared. How do I go down again? I am really not for the trails if like I go alone. I need to like get used to having someone muna. And then when I can already do it alone, and I will. I don't want to risk my life for a video. I probably will. No, no, that's a private. That looks so good though. What do you think? It's a nice trail. But I'm scared. How do I go down? Do I just like... That's a really nice trail. The view from that tree over there must be so good. And this is why I'm so sad right now. Oh my god, no. We should look forward. I think I should go home now. Should I go back this way or should I go forward and find I'm gonna go back this way? I don't want to tire myself out. I just said like I have nothing to prove. Maybe I'll take a few photos. Yuck. That wasn't me. That was Patricia. Oh, so pretty. What the heck? Hi friends, we need to film some. Oi, I always have a. Wait a minute. Oops. I think the reason why I'm comfortable speaking to myself in English is because I don't know. Pwede bang magtagalog? Okay lang. Okay. Thanks. I think it's scary to be me. I enjoy my time alone so much that other people watching me, it's their first time seeing a single girl in a single world. Wait lang ha. Wait. Ganit, ganitong eksena. Wala akong tungkol. Wow. Oh my god, I love this place. I'm gonna go back here, maybe. Maybe not. Pinuntahan niya, hindi ko puntahan. Bahala kayo dyan. I love me so much. Oh my gosh. I love me so much. Do you love you? Because, what do you mean you don't love yourself? I'm not thirsty. I'm just thirsty. I haven't had my breakfast. I love that. I love that hill. I think I'm gonna name my favorite hills from now on. That will be Enrique. Hindi na magjo-joke. Sabi ko nga, on my trails, I usually don't. Oh, is that a crow? I'm so. Oh my gosh. I usually just, when I run, I mind the road. But now I'm hiking. I see birds and I appreciate them. I saw a crow. So, is it a raven? What does. Can you hear that sound? Is it a raven or a crow? I don't want to video it because I'm scared. Hi, friends. I think I'm happier, like just walking. Okay, so when I'm running, because when I'm running, I'm trying to prove something to the world. Like I run, I'm fast, I go for long distances. That's how it feels like for me as a competitive person. But when I'm walking, I feel whimsy, and I think we need a lot of whimsy in our lives. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take my advice and just do my mini walks, my hikes, my little me times. And I wouldn't have noticed that red bunch of red flowers over there if I was running because I would be like, this is my view. But when I'm walking, my view is. Or when I'm running, my view is like. That's my sound is like. I like that. So when I'm walking, I'm like. Wait, oh my god. Psst, please, malapit na ako mahulog sa bangin. Malapit lang naman, huwag niyo naman i-wish. Okay, that's it. It's Hira. Yap. Goodbye. And have a great day ahead. Go on that hike. Doesn't matter where. Doesn't matter how long.